In the heart of the 16th century, a religious storm brewed in the lands of Europe. The Catholic Church, a bastion of tradition and authority, stood against the rising tide of the Protestant Reformation. The clash of ideologies and the thirst for power ignited a series of bloody conflicts that would shake the very foundations of the continent. The spark that ignited this conflagration was the theological disagreement between the Church and Martin Luther, a German monk. Disillusioned by the corruption and excesses within the Church, Luther nailed his 95 Theses to the door of the castle church in Wittenberg, Germany, on October 31, 1517. This act was not just a protest, but a declaration of war. Luther's ideas resonated with many, sparking a reform movement that threatened the Church's grip on power. The Church, led by Pope Leo X, responded with a decree of excommunication against Luther in 1521. The stage was set for a battle that would consume Europe for over a century. The religious wars that ensued were a gruesome display of human passion and religious fervor. The Catholic League, backed by Spain and the Pope, clashed with the Protestant forces, led by Lutherans, Calvinists, and Zwinglians. The wars were marked by brutal atrocities, massacres, and sieges, with no quarter given. The religious wars were more than just a theological dispute, they were a battle for power and control. The Holy Roman Empire, already weakened by internal strife, was pushed to the brink of collapse. The wars devastated the economy, destroyed infrastructure, and caused untold suffering. Yet, amidst the chaos, the Reformation brought about significant changes. The wars forced the Church to reform its practices, leading to a more accountable and transparent institution. The wars also sowed the seeds of modern democracy, as the religious conflicts led to the rise of nationalism and the strengthening of centralized states. The Reformation religious wars were a dark chapter in European history, marked by bloodshed and destruction. Yet, they also marked a turning point, leading to a reformation of the Church and the birth of modern democracy. The soil of Europe was soaked in blood, but the seeds of change were sown, and from the ashes of conflict, a new Europe emerged. The legacy of the Reformation religious wars still echoes today, serving as a reminder of the power of ideology and the human capacity for both destruction and transformation. The events of that time continue to shape the religious and political landscape of Europe, a testament to the enduring impact of those turbulent times.